Hi, welcome to another edition of Making Money Online with the tools and resources you already have or know. So let's get this video started. This video is about how to make money using Canva. The Canva, that same Canva you use. Yes, that you know. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I use Canva for literally anything. I mean, everything design. Everything design. So I'm going to be showing you how to leverage Canva to making money. Money. Number one, you can use Canva for your social media graphics. When I mean social media, YouTube, like for my look at my YouTube thumbnails. You see these beautiful thumbnails you see. I use Canva for everything since I've started YouTube. I use Canva for all my designs, thumbnails, for social media, for Facebook, anything, social media graphics. Canva is your go-to. No need for you to pay money for that. You can do it yourself. Number two is I use Canva for logo designs. Just check out my logo now. Come on, look at my logo. Look at it. Look at it. See, though I'm a creative person and designs like these or being on Canva is therapeutic for me. So, but during the creation of my logo, I embodied a lot of things. It's not just a round circle with a speaking head and the speech with the three length things around the mouth. It was an expression of me. That circle represents the world. I'm a global audience. I tell myself that every day. So I have to make sure it's represented. And the speaking head shows that I'm going to be speaking to the world. The world will hear me speak. Good. The world is going to hear me speak. And the speech is just it going around. Why you see that CE stands for Chioma Evo. Each time I see that logo, it's brighten up my soul. So even maybe in the future, I might still revamp or re-edit, but let's get there first. So you can use it for logos. If you have clients that you need to create logos for, why not go to Canva? You have the creative mind. As a creative person, I believe those watching this video are most like a creative person. Even if you're not in that creative, you're a creative person. I believe your mind should be able to expand, to bring in features and create what is not. Does that make sense? Number three, what you can use Canva for? You can use Canva for ebook designs, like ebook covers. It's still the same. If you can use Canva for creating social media graphics, you can also use for ebook covers. That stunning book you're about to create. Hey, don't pay a graphic designer. You can be a graphic designer. But please, if you can't do it yourself, no stress. Let your money do the work. Just go look for a graphic designer that's going to help you do that work. So, number next you can use Canva for is for flyer creation for events. I'm going to show you a screenshot here. I used Canva to create flyers for my reunion, my school reunion, our 10 years reunion. I also created flyers that said I'll be there, things like that. I've been using Canva for a long while. I don't even know how many years I've been using Canva. And I think over the years, with the use of Canva, with practice, with consistent engagement with Canva, my creative and graphic designing skill just skyrocketed. Now I'm even thinking of maybe really taking this graphic designing as a real business because I think I love designing. Right from childhood, I've been in the creative space. I've done bead making, I sew, and things like that. So even cutting clothes, fabric, is just therapeutic. Might be stressful, but or might be time consuming. I feel it's therapeutic. And while I was young, I also sketch, I draw cartoons, things like that. I'm going to put them here because I saved some of them on Facebook. So if you are like me, that you've been a creative person or you are in this, you have this creative nature, even if you are not, and you have a knack for designs, why not? Please go for it. Take it from me, go for it. You won't regret. But next you can use Canva for is for business cards. You can create your business card, whether you want it e-business card or physical business card. If you're a minimalist or you are not a minimalist and you can just go there. In fact, why the elaborate business card? What do you need a business card for? Your name, what you do, and phone numbers, email address, social media, and the right. Probably maybe 2 pictures of what you do. Why not do it yourself and share it to people you want to share it to? Number next, you can use it for website designs. I'm not a website person, but if you have a website and there are some pages or some graphics you want to be there, or maybe when they get to the next page, you want a particular designs to show or to be showcased on that website, Canva is there for you. Another thing you can use Canva for is for t-shirt designs. Why not? Just type on Canva t-shirt designs and you can design what you want to be written, either is word or graphics. You can use the free version of Canva to achieve what you want. Since I'm using Canva, I've not really seen a need to move to the paid version because my mind is creative. No matter the design, I will find a way. That free version, we go use them. I'll find a way to use that free version and maneuver my way. Okay, I need to use an arrow. If there is no straight arrow, I'll go for a curved arrow and put an image in front of it. Take it, position the image in front and position the arrow to the back, and still give me what I want. Come on, we're creative people, man. You gotta use your head, man. So stick with the free plan and ball on it. But if you are expanding, Canva is giving us so much. If you like to go further in description plan, please do it. They are wonderful people, and I'm so grateful for that. I wrote them down here, so let me just read it. Can use Canva for printables and digital downloads. That's to create and sell printables and digital downloads such as planners, calendars, and worksheets, etc. Next, you can use Canva for presentation design to create engaging and visual appealing slideshows to clients. Number next, you can use for marketing materials to design brochures, posters, and things like that. You know what I mean? You can use it for resume designs. Yes, you can use it for resume. But I've never really used Canva for resume design because I don't see any need to make my resume so fancy. Except you're a graphic designer, you're an artist, or in the artistic space where you need to add a lot of colors to what you do, and you need them to know that from the onset of the first look on your resume means that, come on, this person is a person of colors. Then you can go for it. Next, you can use Canva for print on demand products, designs such as mugs, phone cases, notebooks, and you can sell them on different platforms like Estee, Printful, and a lot of platforms like that. So, if you don't know where to start from, kindly use the link in the description box to enroll for the Go Virtual Academy. It's going to position your money making skills into the virtual world. You know, I'm saying virtual assistant. Virtual assistant covers a lot of things. As a designer, you're also a virtual assistant because most likely you're working for somebody virtually, right? And you're in the comfort of your home, except you're working in an office. But if you want to put this together, do well to enroll for that program. Additionally, if you like to learn French in 3 months, absolutely do well to enroll for the program. So do well to use the link in the description box below. Don't forget, one thing stopping you from making money is because you've not really sat down. Oh, sorry, I don't want to be biased, but let me say it. You've not taken a deep look into what you've used or what you've known. And sometimes people just commonize things and say, oh, what good can come out from Canva? What good can come out from Google Doc? Come on. A lot of good can come out from a lot of things. Just sit down and let your creative power, your creative mindset, let it work. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.